Alright, jumped ahead a little bit here, but I basically plugged everything into the KMV switch. So, a little explaining, you're going to have an aux cable that's going to run here, down to this hole. You have a hole there, but then on the other side, comes out and into this thing here. This is a button, and this will change which Raspberry Pi / computer you are switching between two. Going down the line here, you have USB 1 and USB 2. They simply plug into here. There is no direct order on how to fit them in there. Fit them in there as best as you can. You then, right down there, that is going to be the HDMI cable that runs to your screen. Take that, do a little Uing, and have it come towards the Raspberry Pis. Next thing's next, you're going to insert your battery. Yours will slide in much more smoothly, but for now, if it doesn't, little trick is either file it down or, as how I just got mine in there, very nice, very snug, take the battery, put it in on an angle, and twist it into position. After twisting it into position, slide it forward until it fills the space and press down on the front of it while pressing up on the top. It will then slide in as you please.